Is that what you do with your socks now? You put them in your gumball machine? Let me see this here. How many socks have you put in here? I see at least 3 pairs. Everything goes in your gumball machine now, huh? Do they come out? Oh, nothing comes out. The socks have stuffed it all up. Here's another sock. What are you gonna do with it? Socks. Yeah, they look like the ones on your feet. These are your new socks. Your new big boy socks. Those go in the gumball machine too? Oh, okay. Stuff it in. You were a goofy little kid.